We are back once again, ladies and gentlemen, with another episode. On today's episode, we do have the 3 subscribers that did come, run some laps in the car, fulfill their dreams. This episode is just to give back to everyone that has subscribed to me and whatnot. So again, I thank you all for doing that. It's massive. It takes a lot of time to edit videos and stuff like that. So to see the subscribers I've got within like 7 months is massive. So I really appreciate everyone out there that has subscribed, that watches the videos, that supports me. Massive thank you to JRD as well, obviously new sponsor, so massive appreciation towards yourself, mate. Unfortunately, we did only have 2 people turn up. One of them didn't turn up, one didn't message to say he wasn't turning up or anything. Otherwise we could have had someone else in to fill that spot, but it is what it is. The camera footage isn't amazing, however I just want everyone out there to think like these people have had this shot for free. Like, this could be one of you in the future, because we do plan to do this again, obviously a bit further down the line maybe, who knows. So obviously just keep the eyes peeled for that. I hope you all enjoy this, because I know the 2 lads that were driving the car, I know they enjoyed it. So I just want to say thank you to you 2 for coming, making it happen as well. Let's get straight to the video, guys. So when you throw it in and it goes too much, that's great. Fuck down there, we go too much, that's good though.
No, go the opposite way, yeah.
Fuck great.
Why don't we make both ones of blood?
Daddy! Is that you?
So here we go, we have Nathan on his first time out. Both drivers had 3 shots each. Let's see how he gets on, building his confidence up.
I just bought the max rates and the other cars and stuff.
Well, you know when you hit them, eh?
As soon as I turned the first ball, went like that. I just stayed there, just as my foot against the bellows, it's not there.
That's great. It's like 400, 500 quid for it, isn't it?
You can give them a
Tried that, but it didn't work.
no. done right, it's just been down here somewhere so I can look over it.
And as you come into the turn, you lose your vision. You're like, where's the corner gone?
In the way.
I think that's why I just like getting back end roll. Then you put your hand down.
But it's all down to being comfortable in the seat.
Yeah.
Because if you're sliding, you're not comfortable in driving.
No. That's why.
Were you hooking your foot around the pedal?
But yeah, that's what I had to do. As soon as I went into that first turn, I was like, whoosh.
It's like if you make something like the two, like you'd be sitting on the diff. And even with this seat in, I was like that far off the diff. So any like little bouncing, you were cracking the diff, yeah. So I'd obviously get that and raise it up. If you can't, you're not quick enough. But if you're not comfy in the car itself, it's not good. Like you're never gonna be able to get the front thing out of the car if you're not comfy. And since having this, I've never been self-comfy. And it's not like that. It's just like I come out the pits in Skeggy onto the track, lift the tyres up, going around the corner, I went like that, and I just cracked my elbow like that. Yeah, it's like cracked my elbow in the feedback. So that's before the race started. You know what I mean? It's like with that, my first meeting, that dent on the bumper, I think I was like in second or something, and then someone just come round, and he spun round on the inside, and I was like from here to camera guys, and he just fucking went me, and I didn't know where to go. I cracked it, and I slid the seat, and the bollock popped. I thought the bollock exploded, didn't it? There was nothing wrong with the car. I just pulled over, and I got out of the car, and she's like, "You're not fucking talking." I had to check it, make sure like.
Not Northampton, I think.
It doesn't really hurt. It takes impact. It's like these.
You're the soft part.
Yeah. It's like the thing that's going to give you the suspension. So that's it. But it's like to replace one floor. When that comes down here and that brake pipe comes loose, and obviously that red pipe, I'm straight to the corner. I don't know the spot stuck over the wires and the brake. It didn't feel like anything. I thought it was stuck on. Power tread a little test it. So it's like just to repair this corner with new bars and stuff. But then obviously on the open trailer driving in Skeggy, it's just all crap. It's like so. But I had some guy and he shares almost everything. And he was like proper gutted that he didn't get a spot. He said to me, he was like, if that guy in there at 9 o'clock, he was like, let me know and I'll fly down in 3 hours. And I was just like, alright. But
By the time you get in, mate, you'll have one going, that's it.
Yeah. I just thought, I don't want to do that, like, but it's annoying because someone else could have had that spot and like had that experience.
I could be whatever guy you want me to be.
Huh?
I could be whatever guy you want me to be.
So here we have Dan going out for his very first run as well. Oh no, second run, sorry, because he had a shot before Matey Boy got there. So let's see how he gets on in this one. I think that Dan is a bit more confident as he was giving it a bit more beans. So we'll see how he goes in this one. What an absolute plonk. Look at that, I trapped myself. So this practice session actually got cut a little bit short because there was a bit of confusion between one of the stewards and the drivers. They thought they had to stop, but I don't know, it was a bit of a mixed, weird one, but he ends up trading paint with another car as well. Look at that. Bloody squealing as well. Does anyone else out there have this problem with the Tranix box? Every time you have your foot off the clutch, just ticking over, it sits squealing. You dip the clutch and it's fine. Yeah, it literally had a brand new one in it when I got the short tail box and everything put into it. So I don't understand why it's doing it, but we carry on. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had this problem, what you did to resolve it, please.
That small paint work.
I couldn't quite see the bumper.
I go ahead, get Nathan straight back in the car, try and get him back out again to build that confidence, get him a bit quicker, and you know, just give them the most that they can get out of the day, because that's what it's about. They both travelled a decent distance, so why not make it worth it and get out as much as you can. The more laps he's running in the car, the faster he's getting, the more confidence he's growing. And it's good to see it because Nathan actually bought an Outlaw F2 and he planned to race it, but due to certain circumstances, he made the choice to try and sell it. However, after this test day, he decided to bite the bullet. He's going to keep it, get it built and get it back, get on the track. He's never been on the track. So, to get on the track, so that's one extra driver that we're getting back into the formula, and I'm glad that he's got the itch for it now, because I don't think without this test day, that car would have been sold, I reckon. So I'm so glad that he's in the car and he experienced what it's like to go around the track in an F2, because now that's another F2 that's coming out on the track. So give yourself a pat on the back, mate. Mascot pushing, and Dan just went out, but I didn't put that bit in. But this is Dan just getting out of the car now. See his reaction, which to me, this is priceless. This is what we're here for, to see the smiles, the laughs. We had such a good day, and I appreciate both of them turning up and experiencing what it's like in the risk drift.
I don't know what to get go.
I was trying it. I was trying to get it to go. Just started stuff and then it pushed me back. I was just like, oh, come on.
You can hear that tyre squealing.
That felt really good. I didn't feel like it was trying to go or
Whatever you do, don't put it in the wall. The camera's ran out of battery. I'll miss it.
I won't.
3 or 4 different
especially when you're on your own doing it. It's like you said, then it's like, what the fuck am I talking to? And it's like you look at views and it's like 2,000 views and it's like 2,000 people watch me be a twat. Do you know what I mean?
Or you're in the driveway, you're doing something, someone walks past you.
And then I was trying to record what you can. It was like a 30-second thing. And I was like, well, that'll have to do it. But it's just like, obviously these people, they take people with them. It's like a religious thing. You know what I mean?
They'll film everything.
Yeah. Like, we've never had like a proper team. It's just always been like me and the old man or like missus and stuff. You know what I mean? So it's a bit trying to do it all and make a video look interesting. It's hard. And obviously,
like total work.
Yeah.
All the other stuff as
Yeah,
well.
so I'm doing like 60 plus hours a week for a normal job, and I'm doing private jobs at night, and then trying to find family time, and then trying to find this time, and then trying to find time to edit it all. It's not like a two-week thing. Like sometimes you're up. Like, well, how long does it take you to like edit a video? Sometimes it's fucking days, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like it's not like a two-week thing.
Depends on what sort of video it is, though.
Yeah, like porn videos and that. Pretty quick, mate. 30 seconds.
That's only technically, that's only editing half the time you fucking act them.
Yeah, it's that blue pill.
Then I'm coming to the third fucking 1 and 2.
Yeah.
He's still on the side open again. I thought, he don't think I'm going to stop, so I thought I better come out of it.
Not bad. Well, you know, she was getting confidence.
Yeah, definitely.
It just went far up, wasn't it?
No.
What, spinning over?
Yeah, just there was no like
Pick up.
spark, nothing. And then all the driving it too long. Yeah, and then all of a sudden it just tried to. You could see I was like hungry to do it. You wanted to go. No fuel, it still stayed the same. With fuel, stayed the same. I was like, come on.
Does it have like electronic pickup on the flywheel on these?
I don't think. All I know is it goes on fuel tank, fuel pump, carburetor. Well, you can adjust how much fuel you get. You had fun?
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. I've not been in it.
You'd never get out of it if you got
It
in it.
doesn't matter. Once I'm in it, I'm in it. I had a job getting in and out of the bloody rebels, and that was out the roof.
I was going to say, they open up.
Yeah.
As long as you enjoy that one.
No one's been this, that's the main thing.
Yeah, it's coming on with one piece, so yeah.
It's made me question whether I want to sell mine now.
You never want to sell a race.
Well, I don't want to sell it now.
You don't want to sell one unless you get one.
Yeah.
Find someone to put it. Mate, you can, this will be a video, do you know what I mean? So it's like, just recap it. Yeah, as long as it's good footage. Shaking.
All out of focus.
No, but it's something like you can live for, do you know what I mean? Like, live on and show people.
And that is all we have time for on today's episode, ladies and gentlemen. So I really hope you all enjoyed it. Massive thank you to everyone. Give it a share, like it, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.